Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Java Swing applications. So that's mean Java with GUI. So based on the GUI, we are going to create the Java program. So graphical user interface with the Java we are going to create. So first program we are going to discuss addition of two numbers with the Java user interface. So before having this Java user interface programs, you want to have the NetBeans ID. So normally it's available on internet freely. You can download and install. So once you install the NetBeans, so you will get the start page. So here, file, new project. You can start with the new project. So I am going to start with the Java application. Then next, so here Java application 6. I am going to change this as a Java GUI Pro. Finish. So once I finished Java GUI Pro, so you will get the coding windows here. So normally this is like full Java programs. You can print like this. Okay, you can compile. So the hello output you are getting here. So here the same time from the project inside the Java GUI Pro, I am going to insert new Java frame. So J frame, new Java frame, finish. So once I insert the Java frame here, so normally I can compile this Java frame. Okay, so run. So you will get the nice user interface here. Okay, so we are going to develop this user interface by using this NetBeans. So Java based user interface we are going to develop. Here you can see the panel, tapped pan and split pan, scroll pan, toolbar, desktop pan, internal frame, layered, label, checkbox, combo box, text area, progress bar, radio button, button, text field, password filter, all the whatever the GUI based designs tools are available. All the tools are available here. Based on these tools, we can design the program. So first we'll see. So we are going to start with the label. So we are going to take the label here. Then normally I'm going to edit. Oh, sum of two numbers. Okay. So here you can change these properties. So properties also there. So the whatever the font color or font size or anything as you wish, you can change it here. 18 bold. I'm going to make this center. So then thereafter I'm going to add two more label. Just control C and control V, copy paste. First number, second number, total. Okay. So then I am going to insert that text field here. So text field, properties. So empty. Texas, I am going to make it as empty. Okay. So you can see the property. The text field name is J text field 1. I am going to copy paste this text field. You can see the properties J text field 2. This is J text field 3. Then finally I need a button property. I am going to change this text some. Okay, so the nice interface I have created here, even though if you want you can compile and you can see the interface. Okay, so now you can see sum of two number, the first number you can give, second number and total. Then once you click the sum, you will get the sum of the value here. So before that you want to program that particular button. So we'll see one by one. So just double click on your button. So once you double click the button, so you will get the coding part. Okay, so the private void j button action performed. So you want to write the code here what you are going to do under this button. So here initially I am going to create the integer variable, the particular a variable. So what they are doing, the integer variable, they are going to get that value integer dot parse integer. So the conversion, so I am going to get the string value. Normally while we are getting in the Java program, while we are getting the value from the text field, it is in the string. So I want to convert that as a integer one. So then I want to store it in the a variable. So the j text field 1 dot get text. So through the j text field I am going to get that particular text. So once I got the text, the particular text will be converted as a integer. So then integer b also get text. Again integer c, nothing with the c. Okay, so then c is equal to a plus b. So the particular received a value and b value I am going to sum together. Then I want to store that value in the c variable. Finally I want to display that c value in the text box, sorry, in the text field 3. So the j field 3 dot set text, set text string dot value of c in semicolon. Okay, we'll compile. I'm going to give some value 34 and 6 submit 40 I'm getting. Okay, so the 34 value it's in the J text field 1, 6 value in the J text field 2, the both text field 1 text field 2 values sum together, so then particular value store in the C variable, finally it will displayed on the J text field 3 when I click the sum variable. Okay, so the similar way, so just go to the Java frame. We are just removing this total. So you can get the sum of the value, then subtraction. Yes, you want to change the name. Properties, subtraction, then properties, multiplication, division. So the text boxes also you want to have the copy for subtraction, text field 4, text field 5 for the multiplication, text field division. We'll check text field 4, text field 5, text field 6. Okay, for the subtraction, action button 3, 40, 10, sum 50. Yeah, here we want to change that particular text field, not 3, this is 4. Okay, the similar way, multiplication, so text field 5, division, text field 6. Okay, we'll run 40, then 10, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, the same coding, just I have changed the symbols of this operation. Thank you.